Hello friends, in this video we will discuss algebra. Our today's topic is group action and its application. Group action is made up of two words, one is group and other is action. In case of action, we can ask how something acts on something. Theme of action is to provide some method for studying algebraic structure. Further, we will see how group act on other structures. Let us start with the definition of group action. Let G be a group and A be an arbitrary set. In general, there is no relation between G and A. Then group action denoted by dot is a map from G cross A to A, which satisfies the following two properties. First, G1 dot G2 dot A is equal to G1 G2 dot A for all G1 comma G2 belongs to G. A belongs to A. Second, 1 dot A is equal to A for all A belongs to A. Here 1 is the identity of group G. Here elements of group are acting on the left side of elements of A. So more precisely it is left action. Now let us do some examples. Example 1. Let G be any group and A be any set. Then define group action as when G acts on A, it maps to A. For all G belongs to G and A belongs to A. Then check this map as a group action by satisfying the two properties. Two properties hold trivially since in this action map in this action A maps to itself, so it is trivial action. In addition to the previous knowledge, let us add something. Let G be a group acting on A, then we can define a 1 1 onto map from A to A such that sigma G maps A to G dot A, where dot denotes the group action. Further, there is a homomorphism psi which is from G to SA, defined by sigma G is mapped by psi of G, called the associated permutation representation. Now let us do example of this. Let G is a dihedral group of order 8 acting on the set consisting of 4 vertices of a sphere. Label these vertices 1, 2, 3, 4 in clockwise action. Let R be rotation of sphere clockwise by 90 and let S be reflection in the line which passes through vertices 2 and 4. D8 is set of 1, R, R square, R cube, where R4 is equal to 1. S, R square S, R cube S, and A is a set containing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is the diagrammatic representations that how elements of D8 act as permutations. From the previous diagram, we can conclude that sigma 1 is identity map where all vertices remain fixed. Sigma r is 4 cycle where 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 1. Sigma r squared is product of two cycles, two cycles we can say. 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, 2 goes to 4, 4 goes to 2, and similarly all these are given here. Since here only sigma 1 map fixes all vertices, so this action is faithful action. Now let us discuss some applications of the group action. Most important application is Calais theorem. It states that every group is isomorphic to subgroup of some symmetric group. If G is a group of order n, then G is isomorphic to a subgroup of Sn. That is, if order of G is n, then G is isomorphic to phi G such that phi G is subgroup of Sn. Let us visualize some example of this too. Let G be a Kleene 4 group and A is set containing 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose G act on A by left multiplication. Then label E, A, B, C as 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. This is the diagrammatical representation that how group acts on the set A. It concludes that sigma A is the product of two cycles where 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 3. Similarly, sigma B and sigma C. And sigma is identity map where all remain fixed. This gives us permutation representation from K4 to SO4 which is associated to this section. Therefore, G is equal to E, A, B, C is isomorphic to the set which is subgroup of S4. Thanks for viewing.